Good morning students and welcome to your online education class. We were discussing in the last video we have started the factors of curriculum construction and in the meantime already we have discussed about two different factors of curriculum construction. One was purpose of education and another one was the need and capacity of the learner. Now purpose of education, we have seen that there are two different viewpoints. One is society and one is individual. So from societal viewpoint we can see that the education or the curriculum which will be constructed should be set according to the change of the society, when the change is occurring in the society. Just like this, nowadays what we have changed, our mode of education we have changed. We were not going to schools, now again we are going to change everything within very few days. So what we have done, we have changed our mode of learning. Even the copy correction, copy sending, everything was done by PDF. We were using Adobe Acrobat. So this is what is curriculum actually is. So the entire structure of education must be changed according to the change of the society. We were unable to go to schools, so that doesn't mean that we will stop our education, isn't it? We have to continue everything. So what was the mode? We have changed. Science has given us the gift of changing the entire scenario. We have learned many things during this time. So this is one very important. And another one is what? Individualistic need. That is what individual mind and body and spirit, whether all-round development is occurring in the individual or not, that you have to see. Now today we are going to yes, and this sorry, and the second point was need and capacity of the learner. That is whether the type of education, the curriculum, whether it can help to meet the need and capacity of an individual. Today we are going to start with the third point, that is curriculum and the probable provisions. Now see, in our school there are many facilities like we can play. We have a particular, though it is small, but we are having a place of playing. Now library, laboratory, all the facilities are there. Practical classes you can easily start any type of work in any type of experiments we are doing in different labs. So curriculum constructor, when they are constructing curriculum, they will see that whether these provisions are available in the schools or not in that particular area. In a remote area, see, providing all these factors are not so very easy. And now in contrast, in village, in the urban areas, the need and requirement are not the same according to the rural area, isn't it? So it is very important that probable provisions means laboratories are there. Unless and until you have a lab, how you will learn physics and chemistry, how you will learn biology without a biology lab, isn't it? So in nutrition you are also having, on physics lab you are having, chemistry you are doing separately. So if this facility, library facility is also there, playing facility is also there. So not only curriculum construction, but the constructor will see whether the curriculum which is being constructed, whether it is suitable for that particular area, and that particular area whether they can provide that sort of facilities to the children or not. Next point, that is probable problems of resources as financial backup. See, problems of resources means mainly it is monetary and financial. See, financial backup, whether right from the beginning up to the end, what type of education is being provided, the curriculum constructor will always keep in mind that this type of financial backup, is it possible for the parents to bear or not, or the school can continue the business, or the school can continue their profession with the same amount, the same what shall I, standard or not. So financial provision and problems of resources, what you need to read something, whether you are having your books or not, whether you are having proper amenities or not, everything must be seen by the curriculum constructor. Now see, usually I used to give this example during class when I have explained you. I have given this example to you. Like there is a subject called fishery. It is about those who will start with in Bengali we call macher arod, macher ব্যবসা, business of fish. So that is very important for village areas. But here less number of people will be eager to learn the subject fishery, where many of us don't know that yes, there is a subject called fishery, but it is not taught over here. It is in village, in remote areas we can see it. So it depends on the place, the area, whether the provisions are there or not, and moreover the financial support which is being given by the school, whether it can be continued in the same standard or not. This must be checked by the curriculum constructor. So this is a very small chapter. You will see your book has given a big huge chapter on it, but it is not needed. Whatever I have given, I have provided you with notes. You go through that. I think that will be sufficient for you for 8 marks answer. Thank you so much.